why current is a scalar. Again, why current is a scalar? இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் we know current is nothing but rate of flow of charge. So rate of flow of charge na number of charges flowing through the conductor in a particular time. That's all. So definitely it is not having mentioned anything about direction. Not only that, suppose current if it splits, I is the current, I1, I2. It's split into I1, I2. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. It's scalar addition. It is not having vector addition. It is not obey vector addition. That's why current is a scalar quantity. Again, so simply when you take current, it has magnitude. Normally, we will show the direction. This direction of the current shows the flow of positive charge. That's all, nothing else. So the direction is not the direction of the vector quantity. It shows the direction of positive charge. So we will draw the direction of the current according to the direction of the positive charge. Okay. Current is a scalar quantity. It does not have any direction. It does not obey vector addition. Avalkan answer. It does not obey vector addition. This is step. It does not obey vector addition and it is a scalar quantity. We will mention the direction which is not the vector symbol. It mentions the direction of flow of positive charge. It splits here. So here when you take the direction, it cannot obey vector addition. It's just a scalar addition. So that's all. So current is a scalar quantity. The main point is it does not obey vector addition. Vector addition. இதான் நம்ம எழுத வேண்டிய முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட். Does not obey vector. The diagram கூட போடலாம், தப்பு இல்லை. Current is rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge நாலே number of charges flowing through the conductor. That's all. So there is nothing mentioned about the direction. அடுத்த question போலாம்.